Hi friends, here we are given an isosceles triangle. The base of that isosceles triangle is 6 inches and one of the equal sides is 12 inches. What does that mean? The other equal side is also 12 inches. We are given 12, 12 and 6. Right, isosceles triangle is 12 and 6. All three sides are given. What is the radius of the circle that goes through the vertices of the triangle? The radius of the circle that goes to the vertices of the triangles, it is a circumcircle. Right. Any 3 points, we should be able to draw a circle. Right. Any triangle, whether it is acute, obtuse, right, whatever is the shape of the triangle, we will always be able to draw a circle around that. Doesn't apply with other polygons, like for example, quadrilateral and all. We cannot draw a circle through all quadrilaterals, but all triangles, whatever it may be, we can be able to draw circles around it. Okay. Now here we are given AC is 12 and BC is also 12 and AB is 6. What is this radius? Right. This. Let us see how. Here, here we can see when we draw perpendicular, we can see some right angles. Right. Let us use this right angles. There will be two right angles in this isosceles triangle. Right. Let us use these right angles and try to figure out what is what is this radius. Let's see how. Okay. Let us assume that this perpendicular, the total height of this perpendicular is h. H. Right. This perpendicular obviously it will go through the center. Right. This is O because this is isosceles right angle triangle. Right. From this point C, we can actually draw a perpendicular which will go through the origin. Right. Origin of the circle. Now you can see the symmetry. Right. From this point to this C or to this A, the radius is R. Right. At the same time, because the diagram is symmetric, the base is 6 already given, so left half will be 3, right half will also be 3. So we are given this h square plus 3 square is actually 12 square. That is already given. So what does that mean? H square plus 9 equals 144, h equals of 144 minus 9, that is root 135. So this entire piece is root 135. Right. Now at the same time, you can see one more thing. This x square plus 3 square is actually r square. What is x? The remaining part, height minus whatever is the radius, right? X square plus 3 square is actually equal to r square, right? What is x? H minus r. What is h? H is root 135, right? Let us do this. R square equals 3 square plus x square, that is 3 square plus h minus r square equals 3 square plus h square plus r square minus 2hr, a minus b whole square, right? 2hr, right? Now, this r square and this r square will cancel. Right. Now, this 2hr will go to the left cheek. 2hr will become 9 plus h square. That means r becomes 9 plus h square by 2h. Right. Let us substitute this h, root 135, which we already know. 9h square will become the 135. 9 plus 135 by 2 times h, which is 2 times root 135. 9 plus 135 is 144 by 2 root 135. Let's rationalize the denominator. That means let's multiply with root 135, both numerator and denominator. That will become 144 root 135 by 270. What is root 135? Root 135 is 9 into 15, right? 9 is 3 square, so we can bring this 3 out. 144 into 3 root 15